Windows Neptune. Let's log in. Ouch. That audio.
You probably should install the sound drivers.
VMware Tools doesn't install properly on Windows Neptune, idiot.
Oh. Are we seriously that on Windows 2000? I thought we already did check out Windows 2000. This is actually Microsoft Neptune. It just looks similar to 2000. Well, maybe we should change the wallpaper to make it less confusing. Good idea. There we go. Can I pick one too? No.
Welcome to our bug reporting system for Windows Neptune. Inside here, you can report bugs, and we can fix them.
Hey, what's wrong with us bugs? Why do you want to report us?
I don't mean actual bugs, idiot. I mean bugs with a system.
Oh, sorry. Man, it's hard to believe that thing actually works on this old version of Internet Explorer. Let's try to look for Firefox. Darn. Yo, it's the blog channel here. Today I am thinking of downloading this awesome program on this system. I am afraid you cannot do that. And why is that? Well, the Net framework requires an upgraded version of Internet Explorer. An upgraded Internet Explorer on here breaks it. And guess what? I am gonna break you. I'm out. Don't kill me, please. That was funny.
Whoa! I found one of the activity centers for Windows Neptune. Let's check it out. Woo! Whoa! These look cool. I wonder what they would look like if these were fully implemented.
Trust me, you don't want that to happen.
Why?
Well, there's this thing called Windows 8 that tried to replace a desktop with screens just like that.
I see. Never mind then.
Man, this computer really needs some space. I want to install this 999 GB modern game. Let's see what can be installed in the Add and Remove Programs menu. The login screen? That doesn't seem that important. Let's uninstall it.